Hello guys, one of my first memories about the start of the full-scale war is when I wake up late at night, not because of an air raid alert, but just like for a couple of minutes, and then I hear a very ugly, very weird, very unusual sound as if a very big car is driving in the skies. And without any previous war experience, I immediately understand this is something very evil. And second later, I hear explosions. In the morning, I learn that 6 people were killed by a ballistic missile in what is considered a very safe city. And I realized that was the sound of death. That was the sound of a Russian missile. I wish you to never experience such sounds, but watch the video to know more.